Chapter 10. Air, Water and Weather. Weather. Weather is the state of atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time. It is determined by the sunlight, temperature, wind, humidity, clouds and rain. Weather changes from day to day. It also changes throughout the year. Days are hot and dry in summer, cold in winter and cool and humid in monsoon season. Sun and weather. The sun plays a major role in causing days and nights and changes in seasons. The sun causes day and night. The earth rotates on an imaginary line, called axis. The half of the earth facing the sun has the day. The day is well lit and warm for most part of the earth. The other half of the earth facing away from the sun has the night. The night is dark and cooler. The sun causes changes in seasons. The axis of the earth is inclined to one side. This is called the tilt of the axis. We get seasons because the earth is always inclined to one side. The side of the earth inclined closer to the sun gets direct sunlight and so has summer. The side of the earth away from the sun gets less sunlight and so has winter. The sun causes the wind. The sun heats up the land. The air above the land becomes warm. Warm air becomes lighter and rises up. Cooler air being heavier rushes in to fill the vacant space. This flow of cool air is known as wind. The sun changes the states of water. The heat of the sun changes water into water vapor. This change is called evaporation. The water vapor rises up in the air. On coming in contact with cooler air, water vapor changes into tiny water droplets. This change is called condensation. These droplets are light and float to form clouds. When these droplets come together, they become too heavy. They then fall down as rain or snow. This is called precipitation. Water evaporation, water vapor. Water vapor, condensation, cloud. Cloud, precipitation, rain or snow. The sun checks humidity. The moisture present in the air in the form of water vapor is called humidity. During summer months, the days are hot and dry with very low humidity in the air. We sweat a lot in summer because sweat on evaporating from our body cools us. During rainy season, when sun does not come out from the clouds, the air becomes humid. Which blows gently and slowly is called breeze. Sea breeze. During the day, land gets heated faster than the sea. Air above the hot land becomes warm and rises up. To fill up the vacant space, cool air from the sea rushes to the land. This sets in the sea breeze. Land breeze. A coastal breeze which blows from land to the sea during the night is called land breeze. At night, the land cools faster than the sea. Warm air above the sea rises up. To fill up that vacant space, cooler air from the land rushes to the sea. This sets in the land breeze. Water. About 3/4 part of our Earth's surface is covered with water. Water is present on Earth in all three states, that is water, snow and water vapor. States of water are Interchangeable. Purification of water. We must always drink clean water. Dirty water causes diseases like cholera, typhoid, etc. Water from water bodies like ponds, wells, rivers may not be potable due to impurities such as impurities in water, soluble impurities, insoluble impurities, disease-causing germs. We can purify water for our use by the following methods. Boiling, the simplest and most used method to kill germs present in water is boiling. The high heat of water, while boiling, kills the germs. The water then becomes drinkable. It can be cooled and stored in containers for consumption. Filtration. It is the process to sieve or separate insoluble and suspended impurities from water. In filtration, impure water is passed through a filter, by which impurities get separated from the water. Sedimentation and decantation. When impure water is allowed to stand in a container for few hours, the heavier impurities settle down at the bottom, leaving clear water on top. This process is called sedimentation. Decantation is the process by which clear water on top is poured out very gently without disturbing the settled impurities. For example, separation of water from mud. Chlorination. Chlorine tablets are added to impure water to make it useful. It is an effective method to kill germs in water. Chlorination method is widely used to clean water in swimming pools. Save water. Save lives. In many parts of the world, people have to walk long distances to get clean water. We should never waste the clean water that we get. We should conserve, save it.